Hi guys, I figured I'd talk about something that you may or may not be aware of. In North America, we've always had this bigger is better adage, and that goes back to the 70s, the big engines, muscle cars, big engines, high horsepower, and now even with the SUVs nowadays, the big cars, big engines, bigger is safer, that kind of thing. Homes, houses, bigger is better. In Europe, where there are a lot more people in a condensed area, you can't have that kind of lifestyle or that kind of thinking. And also, when you're looking at the cost of goods, gasoline or whatever, things in general are smaller homes, smaller vehicles, smaller engines. It just more cost effective to own, to run, to maintain. In North America, we're still behind with a lot of environmental factors, global warming, etc. We're still probably polluting more than any other nation. And I'm talking Canada, US together. Canada, we've got quite a lot fewer people, so that's our saving grace. Fewer people polluting when you compare our country to other countries that have many more millions of people. However, there are some standards that are equal in North America with European nations, for instance. When you're working with electricity, be it commercial, industrial, home, automotive, wiring has smoke designation. If you're familiar with the term "who let the smoke out," or once you let the smoke out of a circuit, the circuit is dead. Well, that actually is an inherent part of, or a design of, wiring. I believe that the standard is 500 milligrams of smoke per 2 feet of wiring. It doesn't matter if it's thick cable or thin, tiny wiring. It's usually that average per those 2 feet. And that is a standard that is common with the European nations as well. Tires. I'm sure you've seen automotive or videos of people doing burnouts in North America, and you see all this smoke coming out, and it's crazy. Tires do have a square footage, or smoke per square foot. No, sorry, not foot. Smoke per square inch, and I believe it's also 500 milligrams per square inch. So what that basically means is that within that square inch of rubber, there's 500 milligrams of smoke laying dormant to be used, or that can come out of a tire. In Europe, though, especially in Ireland, which I was not aware of, the amount of smoke per square inch is only 5 milligrams. I couldn't believe it. So I'm just going to show you real quick. In North America, again, bigger is better. The more smoke, the better the tire, the better the horsepower of the vehicle. So I'll show you a quick clip of that. And then in Ireland, I was not aware that because of the small amount of smoke that is embedded inside the tires, you just cannot have as much fun as in North America. And here's a video of Leon doing his best to try to let the smoke out.